Hello, ma'am, sir. I am Maria Jennifer, 42 years old, from Ilocos Norte, Philippines. I am single, but I have a partner. We have two daughters, 20 years old and 16. I am a college of graduate, major in fashion designer. My expertise is child care, baby care, or pet care. I work domestic helper in Hong Kong almost 8 years for two employers. My duties take caring of children, cooking, cleaning, marketing, ironing, and I am willing to do the other tasks. To my employer, mom and sir, please choose me as your housemate because I am willing to do the task. I'm a hard worker, honest, fast learner, and flexible mom. Thank you.